So sometimes you find a lot of people with colon issues. And what could it be? First of all, it's very important for us to see what is that shitty situation that's happening in your life or your ancestors' life. Like, very, very important to look at, is it connected with immigration, migration, where someone has not treated you the way you wanted? Colon is the most hidden part of our body, intestines, very close. Now, intestines means in test which is happening inside you. So it's not really evident to other people. To other people, everything looks as if it's hunky dory, everything is fine. But could it be that inside the ulcers that you're forming, the wounds that you're carrying, are the wounds of a separation that you have with your kin, because maybe you were belonging to another country and you were forced to live in another country. Maybe you were belonging to another tribe and you got separated from your tribe and you had to adapt yourself in another space. And could it be that people who you are living with are still giving you the shit that you don't want to take? And in most of the cases, when we are not able to take what we are given by our environment and our loved ones, we split into two parts. One part is the guilt. The guilt is, if I separate from you, then you're going to feel bad about me not being there. And of course, the other part is, I want to belong to you. And if I don't belong to you, then I have nowhere to go to. So you're jumping between anger because you're staying back in the relationship, not because you want to, but because you're guilty or you're angry with yourself or with the loved one, and you're jumping between this. And both these emotions which are there are safely held in the intestines. And what's interesting, we don't like to show our anger. We all want to be nice people, don't we? We all have hidden and suppressed anger. Hidden, suppressed means somewhere where I'm pushing it down, and repressed is somewhere where I don't even know I have that anger. On top of it, I might look as if I'm really a cool person, not angry at all. But deep down, I'm carrying this such deep hatred and anger that I don't know how to come out of it. And in this conflict, if you split up the word colon, you're longing for something. And CO is the cooperation and longing to cooperate with that person, to be with that person. And that's the last test, whether you want to keep this or you want to separate from it. You want to keep it, you want to separate out. You want to keep, you want to separate out the guilt or the anger. If you like what we are getting for you, do subscribe to the channel and do learn Meta Health from me. I am Dr. Anu Mehta. Thank you very much.